This video will walk you through the steps to complete an interim using the RentCafe Portal. You may need to submit an interim if you have experienced a change in household members, income, assets, or expenses. It is important to report these changes to CMHA right away within 30 days to ensure that your personal information is accurate and up to date. First, you'll want to log in to your RentCafe account. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the option that says Report a Change and give that a click. You'll start by selecting your preferred language. After that, you'll see the Report a Change overview screen. Click Next to keep moving. Now, we need to specify why you're reporting a change. For this example, we're selecting income for an interim payment change. After selecting Yes, a box will appear prompting you to explain the change in income. Next up is your household information. You'll see a list of your current household members. If everything looks correct and nothing has changed with who is living there, click Next to save your progress. If you do need to add someone, click Add Household Member and fill in their details. On this page, you may also delete household members that may have moved from your residence. Once you have finished on the household information page, click Next. This will take you to the member background page. Here, there will be a series of questions about the members of your household so that CMHA can gather all the necessary information about your household composition. Please answer each question truthfully and to the best of your ability. Click Next once you have finished. The next page is where you can indicate if anyone in your home requires a reasonable accommodation. If necessary, please fill in the required boxes and click Continue. Moving on to the financial side, to update your earnings, click Add Income. Enter the details and make sure to hit Save. This will take you back to the main list. You'll also see sections for assets and expenses where you can make necessary edits or updates. Before we finish, the system will run an error check. If it says we didn't find any errors, go ahead and click Next. Now it's time for the paperwork. On the Documents page, click Upload, then choose Files to find your supporting documents, like pay stubs. Once they're selected, click Upload again, and then Next. This will take you to the Summary page. Take a second to review your members, income, expenses, and assets one last time. If it all looks correct, scroll to the bottom, accept the terms, and click Next. Finally, you just need to provide a signature. On the Sign and Submit page, you'll see a list of documents. Click here to sign for each one. A disclosure and consent box will pop up. Just read through this and click Agree and Continue. Now you can use your mouse or finger to create your signature and initials. Then hit Save and Continue. Lastly, the system will show you the final document. Use the Jump to Next button to quickly find any remaining signature spots. Once the document shows complete, just hit Finish and your request is officially submitted. And that's it, you've successfully submitted an interim. If you have any questions, please contact 216-431-1471. Thank you.